Keep going, keep going. Here they come, here they come. I knew this was a spot. Oh my gosh, this is a spot, man. This is definitely the spot. Throw it at them. There you go. They gotta catch it. You gotta throw harder. Harder than that. Whoops. Alright, go ahead. Shoot the bird. The other ones have already eaten. It shows on the rocks. The ones way out there. Try to make them fly in the air and get it. You get better shots. See, when they first feed them, that's the best time. There goes the blackbird. And after a while, they just get all fed and they get tired of it. This one hasn't even eaten yet. Now they're all tired. It's like, stop feeding us. He caught it. You have to learn how to play catch with these buggers. He wants some. There you go, Sonny. Come and get it. Come and get it, Sonny. Come on, Sonny. Give him some more. Well, don't you want to get it? You better get it. Come on, get it. Get it. Come on. I'm talking to you, Sonny. How much should we have to feed you? Now he's coming. Wait, don't move, don't move. He's coming to get it. Here he comes. He's a tough one. I've never seen seagulls leave after you fed them. I never thought we'd have to go to all these different locations too to get rid of the bread. Don't feed them anymore now. Unless they give you a better shot. Okay, you can give them a little bit more now. They gotta work for it though. Hurry it up. you hit the post and just bounced. Here, give me a bread. Hurry, a couple slides. Okay, here you go, George. You gotta catch us. Good catch. Here. Here, tear some off from me. Come on, you're supposed to catch that bird. This bird doesn't know what he's doing. That bird was just curious about landing. Now these guys don't know how to catch. Okay, here we go, watch.
Alright.
Okay, you feed him.
Okay.
Over there. Throw it over there. It's going to take forever to get rid of 5 cases of bread. Hey, look, you didn't catch any fish. Ask him if he caught any fish. Or does he need bait? Does he need like seagull bait?
Yeah.
That one's a big one. He can't land right. Had a couple brewskis. Come on, put on a show, dude. I never seen him so terrorized as he were at that place where we stayed. Alright, we're done with this place. Hey, we gotta go, sorry. Bye.